Okay. Okay. Look, guys, it's snowing. Ay, ay, ay. It's snowing. Snowing really hard. Oh my God. You have to watch your step. It's snowing. Think. Uh, I was trying to come on live, but I didn't know what's going on with my data. So, um, this is Maryland, and we're getting snow from last night. Ay, ay, ay. Snow is really thick, as you can see. Very thick. You have to be careful. And there's birds. You can see on the trees there's birds. It's kind of strange, but oh my God. It's crazy. Oh, it's really crazy. And it's really cold. So cold. Look at that. This is crazy. Kids are playing over there. This is crazy. This is so crazy. Everyone tried to keep the car like clean, but as soon as they cleaned it, ay, ay, ay. This is what the cars look like. This is so crazy, crazy. And the birds, you can see? You see birds? I don't know. I think they said this will end tomorrow. So let's see if it ends tomorrow. You can see. I think some places got like over 9 inches of snow. Some places in, I don't know. Because one of my friends said it's really bad in PG County, so I don't really know. But where I am, yeah, it's really bad. Because we kept trying to clean. As you can see, he's trying to clean the pathway of the car. But as soon as we do it and we go back in, it's like really messy again. I'm live, I'm talking, I'm showing everyone. Even birds are still flying. That is strange. That's the strangest thing. See? They're there, right there. You can see. Birds are flying, minding their own business. So I'm going to try to walk on the main. He's trying to shovel. Let's see. More and more snow. More and more. And it's still coming down really, really heavily. Really, really heavily. Leave it a little, then later we can come back again, because you can't do it in one go. Yeah, we kept on um, cleaning. Oh, and oh, I was trying to show the highs. This is the highs this morning. This is the high. It's really cold out here. Really, really cold. It's like freezing cold. See? Uh, this is highs right here. This is highs. As you can see, it's highs right there. Oh my gosh. It's like, look guys, it's like this thing I thought I was saying, it, look at that, look at my feet. I was saying it would be like getting like uh much better in the afternoon, but it's like it's getting worse. And you have to be careful how you walk because it's like slippery. It's very slippery. Yeah, very, very slippery. Because actually, as I say, there's highs. You can see highs. You see the highs right there. So I think it's highs coming down and not snow. You can see my feet. They were trying to clean. They tried their best, but oh my gosh, it's like they tried their best, but it's not good enough. It's really terrible. And it's the ice is coming down. I don't know how those birds survive because it's like really cold. It's freezing. There are kids over there playing in the snow. It's really, really freezing. And you have to be like, if you see how I'm walking, it's like a little toddler. Huh? My husband is telling me, oh, you can't go work tomorrow because it's really bad. It's really bad. If you see how I'm walking, I'm trying to go see what's going on the main, and the main is not that far away. And I'm telling you, oh, whew. I should have wear my other boots. Got a little more grip to it than this one. I think we're having like ice. I'm coming. I'm way in the back, guys. Oh, whew. This is worse than the last year, because last year oh, I need to get one of those. Oh my gosh, I'm tired. Whew. Guys, I'm tired. Oh my God. So, let me show you. I'm coming from down there. So it's like I'm blowing really hard, you know. Let me see if I can go out on the road because it's too thick here. Yeah. Okay. So, guys, this is it. So I'm taking my time. Taking my time. There we go. It's a little bit better walking here than on the sidewalk because there's a car over there. It's trying to get in, but I think they're having problems. Look at that. Yo, look at that. Oh my God. I don't know if I had gone to work. I don't know how I would make it back because it's so bad. It's really bad. So that's the main road and there's a car right there. Okay. I'm telling you guys, I'm breathing.
Take down trees. Take down trees.
Look at that. The trees are down also.
Look on the road.
And the roads, oh my God.
Look at the drop on.
Look at the road. Look at the road, guys. Look at the road. Look at the road.
I walk up on the road. I don't know where the road starts. No, it starts.
There's a car right there. I will not risk my life. I love my job, but I will not risk my life like that to be on the road now. You have to be like driving really slowly. Really, really slowly. Okay, let's go back. It's
A person afraid to drive.
It's freezing. I would be scared too. Excuse me. I would be really scared because you should try to come this way. I would come this way because it doesn't really matter, does it? Yeah, it's really dangerous, guys. Really, really dangerous. If you're not a good driver, and it's not a matter of saying a person is not a good driver, but stay home. It's really bad. That person, see, the car is still there.
Oh, yes, then you see chauffeur to move anything.
It's dangerous. If they live here, then continue here. Because
living here.
we were trying to walk there. I was breathing so hard because the snow is that heavy. It's really heavy. Yeah, it's better to be on the safe side. If they don't live here, then they can call Uber. Oh, she just giving a lift. The winter is bad. Because I love my work. I love to go to work. And I'm telling you, now is not the time. It's my life. You can see the lady. She couldn't even turn the car to get in. It's dangerous. Very, very dangerous. Right. Right. Because some here you can see ice right there. You have to be like really careful. And this thing is like, if it doesn't stop by like 8 tonight, it doesn't make sense.
It was stop 4 o'clock in the morning.
4.
Yes, in the morning, yeah. Go to the food tonight.
Oh God. This thing is so dangerous. Very, very dangerous.
Outside, I got liquor.
Very dangerous, guys. The kids are enjoying the snow. But if you're coming out, please dress really, really, really warm. That's ice, all ice. Ice and snow. It's really dangerous to drive. See, if you have a truck, you have to go really slowly. So I'm taking my time. Yeah, I'm taking my time. All right, I'm feeling for the. I see the head. It's right here. Guys, I thought Marilyn was just going to get a small amount, but I think the meteorologists, uh, they got it this time. They got it. So, it's so cold. I'm still showing the birds again. Because I'm back from the main road. What we always do, we check to see how clean the main road is before we leave for work. And for now, it's not really looking that good. The main road is not looking really good. Yeah. So we're going to end the live, and because I have to go over to TikTok. So guys, yeah. So guys, I'll see you later on. I might come back out to show you guys what's going on and if it's okay for me to go to work and whatever. Okay. So I see you in a bit.